Hi everyone, welcome back to Pastel Peony channel. In today's video, I'm gonna share with you 6 outfits that I prepared for Taiwan trip. Hope you enjoy this video. Outfit number 1 is all white and mostly from Love Bonito. My knit top and also my white shorts are from Love Bonito. My shoes are from Sunday Staple. My bag is from Zara, and I'm wearing my belt from Gucci, and this is a Gucci Marmont. And a close-up shot of my favorite bracelet at this moment. This is the white mini Cali double tour bracelet from MS. Moving on to outfit number 2, I'm wearing my dress from Thread Theory and carry the basket bag from Loewe, and my sandal is from Christian Dior. I also add on my necklace, which is from Van Cleef Arpels, and this is the Alhambra necklace. Outfit number 3 is the green dress from Caramel Monster. I'm using exactly the same accessories and bag, and bags from Loewe, which is the basket bag, my sandal from Christian Dior. What I like about this dress is a smock back dress, and it also comes with the pocket. The top in outfit number 4 is from the Closet Lover, and my white pants are from Taobao. I'm also using exactly the same accessory as other outfit. Outfit number 5 is optional to replace outfit number 1 just in case. I'm wearing the top from Love Bonito and Bermuda shorts from H&M. I also carry the basket bag, which I think goes well with this outfit as well. Outfit number 6 is my airport outfit. The knit top is from the Love Bonito, and knit pants are from Uniqlo, which is my new favorite pants. I also bought more in other color as well, and my shoes are from New Balance. I also bring along my favorite cardigan from H&M, which is the teddy cardigan. It is quite warm, so I really like it. And that's all about the outfit I prepared for Taiwan trip that's coming up. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. See you again in the next video. Bye bye.